to all my fellow licensed advisors across Canada. If you are finding it difficult to grow your business, build client trust, or expand product knowledge for tailored advice, the challenge may not be with you, but with your environment, mentorship, and access to available resources. As an advisor, I have made it my mission not only to help the families and businesses with the right financial strategies, but also to mentor and empower my team members to grow alongside me. I truly believe that success is a team effort, and my personal achievements mean little without the shared success of my team members alongside me. If you are looking for guidance, mentorship, or technical training to elevate your career, let's connect. Let's book a quick call. I'll be happy to discuss how we can grow together. That's all. I wish you all the very best and have a great day.